So, like so many generations of South End kids, I spent countless hours and days within the sentinel shadow of the Seward Park torii, the original. Playing in the lake, attending summer camps, learning how to drive. But until I began to think about what I was going to say to all of you today, I hadn't realized that the removal of the original gate had left me feeling bereft. I felt something similar when the old Six Stadium was torn down. It's that sad, empty feeling that's left when something meaningful to me and my history, the physical evidence of my memories, is eliminated. And that's why this is such a joyous occasion for me. And I suspect for many other long-time, generational residents of these neighborhoods around Seward Park. For me, this return of the Seward Park torii represents a reclamation of the historic, the symbolic, and the iconic.